Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Laura and this is Semi-Domestic Mom. Today's video is going to be a clean with me. We're just getting rid of all of our Thanksgiving and Halloween stuff to get ready for Christmas decorations. So I thought I would take you guys along with me and give you guys some motivation to get what you guys need done today. So I'm going to start in the dining room. It's kind of where we grab all of our stuff and just put it so I can put it in the bins before we bring it out into the garage. So luckily today I have all my boys helping me, and I'm also, just always thankful when they help me with this stuff because I've got a lot of Halloween decorations. So anyway, I'm going to stop chatting for a little bit and get started with the music. I hope you guys enjoy. So if you guys have been following me for any amount of time, you know that I love gadgets and I love anything that can help make mom life easier. So I have actually been using this air fryer for about 2 months now and I have really enjoyed it. But the process to find the right air fryer for me took like a year. I, I didn't really like the way that the standard ones look. They all look the same. But when I came across this one, I loved it. I thought it was so sleek and I love the touchscreen on it and it works so well. You can change the temperature, it's all digital screen and it's been so amazing to use. So I thought I'd just tell you guys a little bit about it, let you know how much I love it, and if you guys want to check it out, I always have it in my Amazon store. And I'll leave a link down below for you guys too if you guys want to check it out. It's been amazing, like I said. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I still have all these dishes to clean. That'll be a problem for tomorrow. Got the kitchen all nice and clean. I'm going to run my robot vacuum tonight to get the floors clean. Take a mop to it tomorrow. Got the dining room clean. And the living room. All that laundry is done. Good stuff. I'm glad I got it done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. I hope you go check out the link I left down below for my Amazon page and for the air fryer. I love it so much. I couldn't recommend it more. Until next time, guys.